I know it is. That's why it's a rebuild. I don't want a V6 again. I really don't want to, but that's the only option I got right now. Damn, you gotta change your brakes.
It makes you go faster when you got less brake pad, less weight, more speed. What more do you want? One more?
I wanna not die. You wanna do a pull real quick? A little pull. Needle on the BMW, bro. It's so smooth. Oh, I thought you were downshifting. I was getting ready for a pull.
We're way past up the place.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to be taking the V8 to Velocity, get it on the stand, talk about what we're going to be doing. I don't think we're going to be doing anything to the motor today because today there's going to be a car meet at Project Torque headquarters, and there's going to be a car truck show in a way hosted by Houston Car Meets. Shout out to them because they started small. I remember when they were really small and then they started getting big. So what's your input on that, huh?
Okay, my kid.
All right, guys, gonna go all the way back to the shop, clean the kitty litter. Well, the kitty litter actually worked out last night. There's no signs of it actually being here. That is the shadow right here. Look at this kitty litter. It still looks like it's brand new. It literally looks like it was not even used. The magic of kitty litter. I think that if it was engine oil, it would have been worse and actually would stain it. But this is transmission fluid. I don't know how long that transmission fluid has been in there. Okay, we're gonna load up the motor. I'm gonna take it to Velocity today. And then we're gonna go to a car meet. All right, guys, we're gonna be moving the truck so we can organize it. We're not gonna leave it here. We're gonna move it. We're also gonna take off the harness as well because that harness is so bad. We're gonna try to refix it or just buy a new one. Just depends on the budget. So we're gonna have to move this whole truck out of the way so we can take the OBS, load up the LS motor in there, the 6.0, and take it to Velocity. Ready? Yeah. The OBS is alive. Damn, I'm spilling more. Son of a... I'm gonna miss the gas. I'm gonna miss the miles per gallon. We put $30 in this truck. And look how much it gave us. It's already losing gas. To the first line, $30. I'm gonna miss that verse. I'm still gonna drive her, but I'm gonna be using this truck for the weekend. I'm struggling. It got so hot. It was so cold. For the past week, now it's hot. Here we go, guys. We're going to Pasadena to Velocity. Drop off this 6-point. And I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe put a cam. I'm not too sure. If it's in the budget range, I'll think about it. Hey, buddy. I'm here at Velocity, guys. Well, see in the back of the motor?
Yeah?
You see the back? See what's going on?
It's crusty.
I know it is. That's why it's a rebuild. Because that transmission's trash too, man.
Shift?
It's like, I don't know, man. There's fucking oil leaking from all over.
While we finish this up so we can load it.
Bet.
Bet.
You didn't think it was me with this truck, huh?
Huh?
You didn't think it was me with this truck?
Your oil pressure's low.
I didn't tell you to start being negative, sir. What's up, guys? So I'm over here at Velocity. We're finally gonna take out the 6.2 motor out here. Sadly, we're not gonna be opening her up or putting on the engine stand because I need engine bolts that I went to Ace and close hardware stores, but they didn't have what I needed. So we're gonna wait until Monday to go pick them up. But after this, I'm going to Freddy's and record the car meet. Hopefully there's gonna be Lamborghinis, GTRs, and crazy going on. But he said he has a cop over there, so boo. It is what it is. You got all the stuff? You got the stuff?
What stuff?
The stuff. You know, the stuff.
What stuff?
The stuff in your store that we talked about.
What?
The stuff. You know what I'm talking about. The stuff.
I don't. You need to elaborate a little bit more.
Bro.
What stuff?
The stuff for the motor.
Yeah, same.
Alright, here we go, guys. Broken?
No.
I'm finally gonna take this motor out, but I'm gonna be driving the crap out of David's OBS because I do like it. It has badass subs inside. The original interior is so comfortable. Why would he want to change it? Alright guys, so the seatbelt snapped. We're gonna try to find a chain.
Look like a
Alright guys, so we're taking off the manifold. We're gonna be putting on the chain. Hopefully it doesn't break. So we're taking off the manifold so it won't damage the manifold when it's lifting up.
Did you break that or what?
Oh no, that was already like that.
Was that hole open the whole time?
Yeah, it literally like it was coming out like nothing.
Well, the map sensor goes there.
The whole thing is useless now?
No, there's a sensor. Oh yeah, the intake's useless.
Oh wow.
I ain't spending like $5 grand on a Billy one.
Oh crap. Where's this? This motor's a piece. Go for it. And look at this. Yeah, I got it. Wow. This thing is a piece of shit. In the straps for.
Gotta cradle it. So whenever you pick it up, it comes up evenly. Go back up with it. Go back down.
Huh?
Go back down. I'm gonna put it on the train over here.
It's not tight enough?
I think how it was on the. There you go. You see how it's picking it up now?
Yeah.
When you first picked it up, it was like this, huh?
Yeah. It looks like a rocket ship. Now we're gonna be moving the vet so we can slide in the motor with the transmission. I'm gonna put it in the front just for the meantime so it doesn't disturb. But coming back Monday, we'll start working on it. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of Lex. Huh?
The trans?
Yeah.
4L80.
It's a 4L80. 4L80. Can you explain why we call it 4L80?
I guess it's a 4-speed and then 80 for heavy duty. I don't know. I don't know trans.
Man, see ya. Later. Alright guys, so we already dropped off the 6.0. Right now we're going all the way to Freddy's shop to go see the car meet. We're a little late, but honestly I would prefer to be here more. But there's really nothing to do today besides going to the car meet. So yeah, we put the 6.0 and all the way in the back in front of the vet. It's like an hour and 20-minute drive. Look how much gas we have left. Whew! Here we go. Whoa. I swear it's like driving a limousine. Gotta fill up again. What's up guys, so I'm over here at Project Torque. Is the only place that is like you can actually hear my voice. So before the video ends, I want to show you guys what's going on outside. I would love to talk outside and like, you know, do a regular vlog without putting too much music in the vlogs, but there's so much music going on that I can't have copyright. So this is going to be the ending of the video, just showing you how wild it is. And it's still like I got here late, so here we go guys. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next. Keep watching the videos guys. It really helps me out and keep on building some badass fucking truck and motors and all this other shit. Sorry. Okay, here we go.
I'm up on off-road. They're gonna buy that bitch quick. This is gonna be spending $15 a week on gas.
Project Torque headquarters to pick up my V8 motor, so I can then swap it to the new computer.
Yep.
Oh. Happy birthday!
1, 2.
Though. How you like my future truck?
I'll
I'll buy it.
There, that man got cash on.